Hello, and welcome to Classical Numismatic Group. My name is Mike Gasvoda. I'm the Managing Director here at CNG, and today I'd like to welcome you to our new auction room. We are pretty excited that for CNG 129, we're going to be able to accommodate you in a specially built room designed specifically for the person who likes history, likes coins, and everything associated with it. I'm not going to talk a lot about the auction itself today, but I'd like to show you a little bit about the room because I think you'll enjoy it if you get a chance to come and be with us in person for the auction. Let me step to the right first, and I'll show you the entire room is filled with antiquities of various types. We'll start here with Sasanian and Bactrian seals, Sasanian stone seals, Bactrian bronze seals. We have a rather nice collection of them on display. Moving around then to Roman statuary, and then the whole entire bookcase is filled with various artifacts of different types, pottery, stoneware, glassware, etc. And as we continue to move around the room, I think my favorite part and the part that started this whole concept is Greek and a little bit of Roman pottery. And so we have really all aspects of historical Greek pottery, from black painted figures, red painted figures, blackware, Nathianware, and so on, of all different styles here. And then some earlier pottery as we move farther around the room, and Roman glassware. And if we pause for a second, I'll take you around the back of the room and show you a little bit more of that. Just kind of coming into the middle of the room, where we've got the Greek pottery, followed then by Roman glassware, which, as some of you may know, largely replaced some of the more generic forms of Greek pottery. And then one of my favorite things, this is kind of a small example of what a lady's dressing table might have looked like in ancient Greece or Rome. And so that specifically is set up to display that. Then continuing around the room, going back further in time, we have the Luristan arms display, which is a wide variety of sword types, knife types, and spear points, something I'm very proud of. And then continuing around the room, if you want to go even farther back in time, we've got petrified trees, a variety of different tree slabs, dinosaur tracks, which I think is pretty cool. And then more pottery, and as we continue on around the rest of the room, we go to space memorabilia and meteorite slices and amber with inclusions and native copper and gold and quartz, and this is kind of my catch-all set of cabinets here. And a fairly new item for me is a really nice Roman 2nd century oil lamp, very large oil lamp. And then kind of to finish the room, as again I said, we've got stuff kind of everywhere in here, but we have more pottery, oil lamps all over in this area with additional bookcases. And the thing that I think is unique about this room is I love museums, and I'm guessing if you're a coin collector, you do too. But one of the things I don't like about museums is everything is behind glass. And the thing that we're going to do here is that if you come and we take a break in the auction and you want to look at an oil lamp, for example, you can pick it up and hold it and play with it and satisfy yourself with everything you want to know about it. Everything in the room is set up to be done that way. So it's an interactive setting for our auctions, and a place I think you'll have a lot of fun being at, winning bids or not winning bids. You'll have a good time being here. So in any event, that's kind of the origin of the new auction site, and we are going to have you here for CNG 129 on May 13th and 14th if you come into town. And we hope to see you there. And as always, we thank you for your participation with CNG.